Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all today? I hope you are all fine. So today I am going to do very simple, quick and easy drawing for kids. It's a small cute baby in neon colors. I love neon colors. I wanted to try something with neon colors, so I decided to do a very quick and cute drawing for children. I hope you all will like it. If you are new on my channel, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, which is My Drawing Pencil. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get all my new updates regularly. Stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be very interesting. It's a realistic 3D cat's eye. It is going to be very interesting, so don't miss out on that. Alright, so let's start. I hope you would enjoy this video. Thanks for watching the video and please come back again and do support my channel. See you soon.